Good morning, beauties. Hope you guys are all doing well. You know that I like to switch things up as the seasons change. I have my two favorites. I have spring and I have fall. We are going into summer and I like to switch up like my wardrobe, bags, shoes, but I also like to switch up my fragrances. Obviously in fall I like more of a warmer scent, but we are going into summer, and so I am going to talk to you about a couple of recommendations that I have from Dossier as we go into the summertime. They're lighter, kind of, you know, not so floral like I wore in spring, but just a lighter scent, and I think you guys will love them. And then after that I have to show you my new bag. We have to talk about that, as you know, I'm trying to add more color into my bag collection. This one's perfect. If you're new to Dossier or you haven't heard of them, let me just tell you a little bit about the brand, what they do, why I love them so much. They create these scents that are inspired by these iconic brands, right? So for example, my favorite scent from Dossier is Gourmand White Flowers. I've talked to you about that at length. I love it. It's inspired by Flower Bomb by Viktor and Rolf, which is also one of my favorite scents. But they have a million fragrances on there, and I love it because they tell you what's in it. They give you the top notes, the middle notes, the base notes. I love seeing what's in the perfume. I love knowing why it smells the way that it does. And again, it makes it so easy for me to transition from different scents throughout the season. Obviously, in the spring, I love more of a floral tone, floral scents. Summer, more of a lighter scent. I'm going to talk about the one I'm recommending for summer. Fall, it's a heavier scent for me. It tells you the fragrance that is inspired by. So if you have your favorite fragrance, you can just go and look and find the name and then find the Dossier perfume. It's perfect and it is affordable. I think most of their fragrances are at $49 tops. So that's amazing. They have unisex fragrances. It's just all good. So let's get into my favorite Dossier perfume for summer. Okay, if you guys have never smelled Tom Ford's Métallique, it is like this kind of powdery scent, right? I've always been a fan of fragrances that have like this kind of baby powder, kind of powdery smells, kind of light. I love those fragrances. Powdery Hawthorn from Dossier, you guys, is spot on for Tom Ford's Métallique. If you love, like I said, that powdery scent, you want something light for the summer, something that's not too heavy, I highly suggest this one. This one is like a favorite on the website. It smells so good, and again, it's $39. So I would definitely check this one out. If you're looking for something, like I said, more, I don't know, maybe you don't want to go lighter for the summer. If you need something a little heavier, then again, check out Gourmand White Flowers. You will love it, especially if you're a fan of Flower Bomb. The notes, like I said, are included on the bottle. So let me talk about some of the notes. The base notes include vanilla, middle notes, hawthorn, of course. The top notes, neroli, orange blossom, and it creates this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful scent. I can't get enough of it, and I've gotten so many compliments from this one, so definitely check out Powdery Hawthorn. So in addition to switching up your fragrances, I think that spring and summer, you need to have more color, especially with spring, but summer too, right? So you can do that with your shoes, with your handbags. If you're not just all about color with your whole outfit, I get it, I got it. You know, you can throw on a jacket with some color. If you want to just add a pop, obviously, I honestly think that handbags are the way to do it. So I purchased a handbag from Kurt Geiger, which I've heard such good things about this brand, and I wanted to try it out. The price point is really good. I feel like it's reasonable for the quality of the bag, and this bag comes in a lot of colors. Unfortunately, this color that I'm about to show you is sold out, but the bag is available in other fun colors. So if you like the shape, if you like the size of the bag, I would definitely check out the other colors. They have this beautiful purple kind of lilac color that I was really into, but I didn't get it because I wanted just some more color. So it is this mustard yellow mini Kensington bag, and I picked it up because this is just the perfect color for me. I feel like the size is really good. You know that I've talked to you about just the amount of totes that I have are big bags, and I want something smaller. I just want something that I'm able to go to lunch in or dinner in, and I don't have to like put it on the ground or clip it on the back of the table. Like, I don't want to do all that. I just want a small, cute, simple bag to put on the table. And this one is so good because it has so much detail. It has these like jewels in it, and there's like jewels for the eyes. It's like this aged gold hardware. And the leather is so soft. Where have I been? Why didn't you tell me that these bags, the quality is just amazing? I love the way it feels. It's so squishy. I want to get up close so you guys just can see the detail of the bag. So here is the eagle's head, and you can see the jewels, and you know, there's jewels for the eyes. This is the gold hardware, which I love because, like I said, it's kind of like that aged gold. It's not super bright and it's not dull either, but it's really good, and it's heavy, which I love. But it's so squishy, you guys. It's so soft. I can just see myself rocking this with like a white shirt, some denim jeans, some heels, probably in this color. Or can you imagine with an all white like dress for summer with some espadrilles? And come on, this is really good. I'm so glad I was able to pick up this color. But like I said, check out the other colors because it's just such a good size bag. And if you want me to do a what fits in this bag video, you know I got you. I will definitely do that. I love those bags or those videos because it helps me see if I really am interested in the bag, if I'm into the bag, if what I need to fit in that bag fits in that bag. Otherwise, I would waste my time. So it gives me just some insight into the bag. So let me know if you want that. I will definitely do that, but I love this. So I'm going to end the video there. I just want to talk about two things that I'm doing to transition into summer with switching up fragrances and adding pops of color into my wardrobe. Please let me know what you are doing as we get ready to go into summer. If you want other recommendations or you want to see my collection of Dossier fragrances, I have another video where I went over all of them, and I will include that so that you can click on that and watch that. My code will be down below. If you have any questions about the Kurt Geiger bag, let me know. I love to hear from you guys. Other than that, I will see you in my next video. Mwah.